In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in Notion. If you're familiar with the powerful organizational capabilities of Notion, you know just how versatile this tool can be. From managing projects to storing documents, Notion can help you streamline many different aspects of your personal and professional life. One handy feature you might not be aware of is the ability to embed PDFs directly into your pages. This can be incredibly useful for keeping all your crucial documents easily accessible and in one spot. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you're going to want to head over to your connected workspace within Notion. This is your hub for all things wiki, docs, and projects. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you're not already logged in, just click on the Login button you'll find on the home page. Enter your credentials and access your workspace. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Notion homepage. This is where all your pages and projects are organized. Find the page where you'd like your PDF to appear. This could be an existing page where you're collecting relevant documents or information, or a new page you're starting just for this purpose. Click on that page to open it up and get ready to add your PDF. Now that you're on the desired page, let's move on to embedding your PDF. The process is quite straightforward. While on the page, type a / followed by the word embed. This action will open a drop-down menu where you can select various embedding options. From this menu, go ahead and select Embed PDF. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the PDF that you want to embed. Make sure you have the URL handy, as you won't be able to proceed without it. Simply paste the link into the field provided and hit enter. Notion will take a moment to process the information, and before you know it, your PDF will be properly embedded in the page, and there you have it. You've successfully embedded a PDF into your Notion page. Now, you can access this document anytime you revisit this page, without the need to constantly search for it in your files. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your resources organized and at your fingertips. Don't hesitate to repeat this process for any other documents that you want to embed. The more organized you are within Notion, the easier it will be to manage all your projects. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has been helpful in making Notion an even more powerful tool for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your workspace.